Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove rear door panel on Volkswagen. Okay, right here, SUV, Volkswagen Touareg. It should cover the years, guys, from 2005 all the way until 2010. So we'll demonstrate on the right side, but the left side will be exactly identical as well. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. Alright guys, so now we'll need to remove the door panel. What do we need to do here? Okay, we have a T25 Torx. Okay, and we have two screws that we need to remove on the bottom of the door panel. One is out, now the second one there. Yeah, okay, perfect. Next, there is a few more hidden ones under that cover right there. You just have to be careful not to damage it. Okay, like that. So we need to get a Torx 30 now, and we have two screws to remove under that cover there. Okay, one is loose. This one looks like it's skipping a little bit. We need to make sure that you get it right. Okay, perfect, it's loose now. Then you need to get a prying tool or get it with your fingers. Okay, and you'll be able to pull the door panel out. There is clips holding it, guys. We'll show you where exactly they are once we remove it, so you know where to expect some pressure. Okay, so it comes out, you can see, and once you pull the clips out, you need to go up so you can come out of the groove. It could be stuck if it hasn't been removed for a while. Next, you need to disconnect the cable, okay, for unlocking and lock for the door, to open the door. So let me show you quick how to do that now. Okay, we'll need to pull those things out, the white things. You need to spread them out and pull the cable out. Okay, like that. Next, we have all the wires there. Just squish those on the sides and disconnect it. We have one more that's been connected on the door computer here. So it's towards the back side. There is a notch that you press in and pull out. Okay, this one there. And you can see where all the clips are now. Even a few of them are on the door now. This one here and here, so we need to remove them. We have one there and three more on the other side. So that's how you guys remove the rear door panel. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.